Hello friends, thank you and welcome to DD's Garden Space. If you have trouble growing coriander, this video is going to help you a lot because I am 100% sure this method is going to work for you. I usually like to give step-by-step instructions so you can achieve what I achieved. And this method will definitely give 100% germination from even your store-bought coriander seeds. So I have soaked some coriander seeds overnight. So in a bowl I have just taken a cloth and taking a handful of soaked coriander seeds. Please select your planter before soaking the coriander seeds, so in that way you will have the right amount of coriander seeds to sow. Alright, now I am taking some compost and coco peat mix and mixing along with the coriander seeds. So after mixing, secure it tightly like this. Basically, we are making sure the mixture don't spill. After securing it tightly, now it's time to pour some water on it to make it completely wet. This is an important step, and please make sure the mixture is completely wet because we are not going to pour any more water into this mixture. So I'm using this planter as my compost bin, and the materials in the compost bin is almost 80% ready now. As you can see, not much vegetable waste or any big chunks left. So this is where I'm keeping the cloth bundle where we have our coriander seeds. Please do not keep this bundle on top of the compost bin. We just have to make sure that this bundle is kept deeper inside the compost bin. Now on top of it, we are going to spread some coco peat and sprinkle some water. So this step ensures that there is continuous moisture inside the compost bin to help germinate coriander easily. I usually keep these dried sticks on top of the compost bin to prevent flies going inside, and I also keep a cardboard on top of it to close the bin. Just leave the coriander seeds inside the compost bin for 3 to 4 days, and you don't have to water them as there will be enough moisture inside the compost bin to help germinate the coriander. So I have left the coriander seeds inside the compost bin for 7 to 8 days, and let's see the results. Wow, the coriander seeds have germinated really well. I would suggest you to take the coriander seeds outside when you see them start germinating in 4 to 5 days, and it's really not needed to leave them inside the bin for 7 days, because when you leave it for 7 days inside the bin, the coriander seeds germinate so much that it comes out of the cloth like this, and it gets really difficult to get the coriander seeds out of the cloth. I'm sure you will get the best results just like me with this method, and please don't forget these 3 important steps. Dig the compost bin deeper to keep the cloth bundle, place the coco peat and sprinkle it with water, and that's it. Now let's see how to take it from here. For the soil mix, I have used 80% compost, 20% coco peat and some chicken manure. Mix it and fill the pot. Now it's time to sow the germinated coriander seeds. It's very important to handle them gently, so this is where it was a bit of struggle for me as I had to handle the delicate overly grown coriander seeds. I think it's good not to use the fingers to take the coriander seeds out of the cloth bundle. Instead, tapping gently like this works really well. I've just taken the right amount of seeds to sow in this planter because I have plans to sow them in the garden soil directly. Here is how I sowed them directly into my garden soil. When you sow them directly onto the garden soil, just place some cocoa peat on top of the germinated coriander seeds. Alright, now let's go back and see how to take it further when we sow in a planter. Just break the chunks of coriander seeds gently and spread them nicely. Now it's time to place the remaining soil mix on top of this germinated coriander seeds. Please make sure that the soil mix entirely covers the germinated seeds. And now it's time to gently water them. Water really well so that the entire potting mix is completely wet. After watering, you might see a couple of seeds appearing on top of the planter. In that case, please put some more potting mix on top of them. You have to basically cover them and not sow them deeper. In only a few days, you will see coriander seedlings appear like this. I was really blown away because it only took 2 days to see the seedlings. And then in the next few days, the coriander seedlings looked like this. As you can see, the coriander leaves have started to grow, and it only took 8 days from the last result. I was really happy to see the lush coriander leaves and was absolutely thrilled with the fastest growth ever. Not all of them have grown in the same pace because I could still see some seedlings that haven't got the coriander leaves yet. Let's see the results after a few days from this. Look at the beautiful coriander leaves. After sowing the seeds, we have to make sure we are continuously watering them every day. I have found a good easy way to water the coriander seedlings so it doesn't fall off easily. If you want me to create a video on this, please let me know in the comments. But in the meanwhile, if you want to have some more coriander tips, I already have a video in the channel. I didn't provide additional fertilizer for growing this coriander leaves because the potting mix had enough manure for the plants. Since the coriander seeds were kept inside the compost bin, I felt it was kind of lazy man hack for me because you have to basically do nothing until the coriander germinates. You might be wondering how many days it took from the last result. It only took 4 days from this to this. I'm sure you can make good use of your compost bin to have successful coriander germination. Even the store-bought ones really germinates well, and you can enjoy the fastest growth in growing coriander. I'm saying this is the fastest method to enjoy the coriander growth because it only took a total of 22 days to see the end result. Usually growing coriander takes a month or more than a month. 22 days is just amazing, and I'm sure some of you can even grow them in even less than 22 days. I like to give each and every steps or detail so that you can also get the same results just like me. Please give me a thumbs up and write your comments about this video, and also share it with your friends so they can achieve the successful results too. I have so many interesting and useful videos coming up, so please subscribe the channel. Thank you friends. See you soon.